Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. I thought I'd just get the camera gear out as we're having a bit of a storm coming in. I'll show you what I'm talking about on the phone and then see what I can capture here. With the lightning maps, you can see the blue dot is where I am, and I've kind of orientated this so that north is up and stuff like that. And you can see the most recent ones are the black ones and the yellow ones. Now, it seems to be taking pauses of about 3-4 minutes and then bang, there's a whole load of stuff goes off and it gets noisy. But this is, I don't know if this is hitting us or just missing us, but certainly I've seen a couple of flashes already above the mountain facing, which is to the west more or less. And yeah, it's just gone quiet just now. It is still connected and on. Sometimes in electrical storms I'll lose my 4G connection, but this is ongoing. There was a flash there, yeah. So I think it's just missing us, but the mountain opposite is just there. And the rings are the sounds, so you can see as that hits the blue dot, we're beginning to hear it. Right, time to shift to the northern end of the building. The joy of the place being empty is I can pick an apartment and go and video off the balcony or out a window or whatever. So let's get a look at what's happening. It's missed us, but that could be good for catching shots of lightning. It's starting to rain here as well. This is the view of the mountain opposite. My balcony is just kind of round to the left there. So let's point her up north, see what I can catch. There's a flash. I need to get the phone out and see what's really happening. Like I say, I've got a good vantage point wherever, a lot of choice, and where I can video off season. It's great. So yeah, there's one just over there that I've missed. I think I might have caught a couple there. I'll have a look back and see in the edit. But yeah, it's not over yet. Just looking at this, and you can see from the left is what's coming from the top above the blue dot. That's kind of just missed us. But yeah, still more to come if I expand that out. So here we go. I'll put anything else I can capture in the end of this. Thanks very much for watching. Yes! Time it. And the echoes round the mountains, round the valleys. Awesome. Yeah. time it. It seems to be glancing off us here, and I've got something really neat as well, because usually when it rains heavy it can turn to hail and whatever. So if I zoom past this little dormer roof and hopefully catch this on the mountains on the ecran, it's actually turned in white. That's not just cloud. Zoom in a bit further. Yeah. That's normally green. Oh no, I've lost it. But yeah, going again slower. And it's left that mountain white.